First up, let's tackle the age-old problem of slow phone charging. Picture this. You're about to leave home, but your phone is on its last legs. What do? Here's a simple yet effective hack. The airplane mode charging hack. Just flick your phone onto airplane mode while it's charging. This simple switch can almost halve your charging time. A tech life revolution, wouldn't you agree? Next, we're taking on the dreaded storage full notification. Who hasn't been stumped by this, right? Well, here's the solution. The cloud storage hack. By harnessing the power of cloud storage services such as Google Drive or Dropbox, you can offload all those space-hogging photos, videos, and documents, freeing up valuable space on your device. No more storage woes. Then, we're moving on to the modern-day struggle of screen time management. It's easy to lose track of time when you're engrossed in your phone. The answer? The digital well-being hack. By activating the digital well-being feature on your device, you can set daily screen time limits, monitor app usage, and even schedule downtime. A perfect way to reclaim your time from tech. Now, for all you budding photographers out there, here's a hack that'll take your smartphone photography to the next level. The grid line hack. Just enable the grid line feature in your camera settings. This simple trick can help you compose your shots like a pro, eliminating those irritatingly crooked photos. And finally, we're tackling the headache of password management. How can you possibly remember all those different passwords? Here's how. The Password Manager hack. With a password manager app like LastPass or Dashlane, you can securely store all your passwords in one place. All you need to remember is one master password. It's a game changer for your online security. So, there you have it. 5 life-changing tech hacks that you'll wish you knew sooner. From faster charging to better screen time management, improved photography, increased storage, and easier password management, these hacks offer a tech life transformation. If you found this video helpful, show some love with a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech wizardry. Until next time, stay savvy and keep hacking your tech life to the max.